me first start by saying this video is not sponsored by Artlist, but I am an Artlist affiliate, and so I'll put that link in this video.
I'm going dumb, I'm trying to live it and stunt. Get anything that I want, whenever I want. It's okay to be broke, it's not okay to be a bum. Gotta move up, I never front, I keep it 100, hun. Do it for fun, man, I do it for fun.
When it comes to getting your videos to stand out from the crowd, good audio imaging can go a long way to giving you that extra sauce, that superpower. Audio imaging is basically the music that you use to drive the storyline, the music that you use to provide a little bit of extra power, a change of pace, move the story along. These are all forms of audio imaging. Also, this can be done with sound effects, voiceovers, things of that nature. Now, when it comes to services to do this, one of my favorites is Artlist. And of course, you can find out more by going to docrock.live/Artlist. Well, Artlist just added a new feature that completely changed the game. And one of the reasons why I love Artlist so much is they are forever moving the needle, aka innovating, aka adding that little extra je ne sais quoi so that you can make your situation smooth. Let me pop over to Artlist real quick and show you what they just recently added, which I think is phenomenal. Here we are over at Artlist, and again, you can get to Artlist by going docrock.live/Artlist, and of course, I'll put that down in the description below. What that would allow you to do is to get a free trial of Artlist so you can play around, and yes, it's an affiliate link, so if you don't want to support the channel, you just want to be like that, you can just go to artlist.io and do the same thing. What I like to do as you come here in Artlist, I'll take us to the homepage real quick. This is what you see when you normally come in. They'll show you the type of songs that they like for you. They sort of do some curation for you. Here's some trending footage. And here's what I want to show you. This is the music trends that are going on in your area. Now you can select YouTube, Spotify, or TikTok. In this case, I'm gonna just leave it on YouTube. You can select any country you wish, or you can scroll it down to your favorite country. So I can go down to USA, and it's going to show you that these are the songs that are performing really well in your region. So if I wanted to find a song that's, say, kind of similar to Kendrick's Not Like Us, I'm going to click that. Now, I'm not going to press the play button because that will give me a copyright strike, but I have gone through and listened to a couple of these to give you some that sounds similar. It's not going to sound exactly like it because, again, that will get us in trouble, but it does have a similar vibe. So I could use any of these tracks if I'm trying to get something that sort of drives the story similar to Not Like Us, which you might be familiar with from the Super Bowl if you're not a very, say Kendrick person like I am. Okay, so check this song out.
Dumb, I'm trying to live it and stunt. Get anything that I want, whenever I want. It's okay to be broke, it's not okay to be a bum. Gotta move up.
Thank you, Mad Gino. That, my friend, is pretty fire. Let's go to I Like the View by Ferris.
Listen, you too special to get overlooked. If you were first class, you'd get overbooked. Don't let them take away your shine, girl, you got me shook. Cause I can see the way you grind, that's a good look.
It's actually a little bit more like Jack Harlow, but still, that's something I've actually started because I'm going to use this in an upcoming reel or a short video, maybe even one of my walkabouts around the neighborhood. You know, I like to drop tracks like that. Let's go check out this one by TJ Hickey.
Automatic cause you move, she be cousin static. I be straight up like an addict, might become an addict. Now I gotta have it, had enough with all the moves, yeah, move here. Ooh, let me grab it, now I'm on 1 year. Now I'm not done yet, total way right here.
Yeah, also super, super good. So that just goes to show you, now this is not just hip hop. Let's do ourselves a favor and pick over to TikTok real quick. And then let's scroll through here and find, say, something that we might want to get a little Latin flair. So let's look for something that sounds like Azul by J Balvin. Let's go and check out Siempre real quick. It definitely works my hip shaking sensibilities. Let's check out On Top by Jimmy Curtis.
Put it on top,
Girl, don't stop, but just get on your bum. Nasty, she love it when I come. You have this, so I put kids on her.
Yes, like I just really love this idea because oftentimes we are looking for a song that has a certain vibe to sort of deliver a thing, but you're just not able to get that because you don't want to get busted. And really, you shouldn't just lean on using copyright music because that's going to get you in trouble. But even some of the cooler things, let's soften this up a little bit. Let's go and check out, you know what? Let's go pull and see what's popping on Spotify real quick. So we'll go to Spotify. And then I did see in here's songs by that sound similar to Gracie Adams. And again, these songs don't have to be familiar to you. You could just click this. But trust me, if it's in this top 10, viewers are out here. So you can go ahead and listen to this. I'm not going to click Gracie because, again, I don't want to get in trouble. But these do have a Gracie kind of vibe to them. This is Save Myself by Jane and the Boy.
Bringing out the fire, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found.
Oh, these are just going to be phenomenal. If you're creating YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, these would do really, really well. Also, TikTok, these work in all of those places.
Somebody out there is glad that they have me.
Very much so, very much so.
The way to say hello. You're so pretty, you're giving me vertigo. You're like the sun in the sky every.
These are just phenomenal. And again, I would go in here and look for, like, especially Sabrina Carpenter, her being the ex-Disney queen, her stuff will just do really well. And I found a whole bunch of stuff in here that has that Sabrina Carpenter style vibe to it.
Knock me off my feet. I don't know what you done to me, but I know you taste like summer, and that's all I need to love you.
There you have it. Listen, Artlist is dope. They got this new thing over here with AI imaging and video. I'm going to save that for a different video, but you could also come over here and pull AI voiceovers. And even if you're just getting your edit on and you want to find something in here that you can use with Final Cut, DaVinci, Premiere, depending on your platform, it's all in here. You just come over and select your tool. So I can select on Final Cut because that's what I use. And here are templates in here if I want to go and create something super, super swanky. So this is why Artlist shines to me. It's not just the good footage. It's not just killer sound effects, which you hear in my videos all the time. It's not just, killer music songs, which you hear in all of my songs all the time. It's the fact that they are constantly innovating to make the situation better. Again, if you would like to check out Artlist and see whether this works for you or not, don't forget to jump down in the description and click the link, or you can just go to docrock.live/Artlist and give it a try. That'll hook you up with a free trial. Of course, I get a little something, but it doesn't change the price for you. I think Artlist is phenomenal. It is literally one of my favorite services, and it's because of their constant innovation, and they're just always moving the needle. So go and give it a try. And you know what I say around here? I don't know who needed to hear this, but if it was you, let me know down in the comment section below. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.